What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful though, you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
What's good, KK gang? I'm back again with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys my natural hair products. So I have a lot of products from my relaxed days, but in this video I'll be sharing with you guys the products that I use on my natural hair. I'm a bit of a product junkie, so this list will be constantly changing because I like to try new products on my natural hair. So I feel like every week I buy like something new for my hair. I'll keep you guys updated. I ran out of a few products, so I'll just be sharing with you guys what I have right now. So these are the products. Oh, these are the products that we're working with. Not everything could fit in the box, so I have like my gels and stuff right next to me. So I'm just gonna be running through because I don't want this video to be too lengthy. So let's start with shampoos and conditioners. So mane and tail shampoo and conditioner. I show you guys these products in the previous video, the natural hair product haul. I've been using these products and it works really good with my hair. The shampoo, it cleanses my hair really well, especially when I have like products build up and stuff like that. It cleanses my scalp really nice. The conditioner, this is the only conditioner that I have that actually gives my hair, my curls, a little definition. When I apply this and I use my fingers to comb through my hair, this conditioner curls up my hair. It gives me like a good slip. I like that. My next shampoo and conditioner is the Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla shampoo and conditioner. This gives my hair moisture. It works really well with my hair, cleanse my hair, and smells so good. My favorite of all shampoo and conditioner is the coconut milk. I love this. It gives my hair a lot of moisture, cleanses my hair really well, makes my hair really soft. It's the brand OGX. Is it? I don't know. Listen, I don't even know what brand this is, but OGX, whatever. Yeah, this works really well. I also have another coconut shampoo and conditioner from the OK brand. This gives my hair a lot of moisture as well. This works well with my hair. I'm not just telling you guys that these work well. Like if I have a shampoo and conditioner that I use on my natural hair and it doesn't work well with my hair, I'm not gonna show it to you guys. So I'm just showing you guys what I like and what I use on my natural hair. I also have the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. I ran out of the conditioner. This is great too. Like I love this. It promotes growth. I've been using this since my relaxed days and I feel like it helped with growth, so that's good. I have this peppermint conditioner. I ran out of the shampoo as well. This is good and I like that tingly feeling it gives my scalp. Like I can feel it working on my hair. I like this. I also have this olive oil replenishing conditioner. This olive oil conditioner by ORS. I use this conditioner to do like deep conditioning treatment on my hair. Like I apply this conditioner and then I use a plastic cap to that it penetrates my hair and leave it on for like an hour. This works well with deep conditioning. That's what I use this for, deep conditioning. Am I missing anyone? Yeah, VO5 works good, just like a cheap conditioner. This is what I used when I was doing my big chop. I haven't used it since, but it's here. And it worked for me when I was doing my big chop. So one and only argan oil shampoo and conditioner. This smells really good. It gives your hair a lot of moisture. Well, my hair. This was one of my first set of shampoo that I use on my relaxed days that I use on my natural hair too. It works really well. Love it. I'm running out and it's hard to find these days. I don't know if they discontinued it or what, but for my leave-in conditioner, I've been using Curls. Come on, focus. Focus. I've been using Kurl's Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. Love this. Ooh, I don't know if you guys are seeing it, sorry. Smells amazing. Kurl's, I just love their products. They have this new SOOO pineapple set. I have to find it and I have to use it because I love this brand. Another leave-in conditioner that I use is the Mixed Chick leave-in conditioner. This a lot of slip. I talk about this in a previous video. I could link all the videos that I talk about like hair products. This works well for my hair. I love it. I use this one more than the other leave-in, but they are all good, the ones that I use. I've been using the ApHogee leave-in conditioner since my relaxed days until now. This has protein in it, so I love this. I don't use it every week, every wash week, but I try to use it probably every 2 weeks or so because of the protein treatment. This other leave-in conditioner I'm running out, this is by Carl's Daughter Almond Milk leave-in conditioner. Smells amazing, and when I spray this on my hair to comb my hair out, it works really well. Hopefully you guys are seeing these products. The lighting is like, I don't know. The Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla leave-in conditioner, I love that one. I ran out of that one. So let's get into moisturizers. The ORS Olive Oil Moisturizer. This is a hair lotion. This is my all-time favorite. I've been using this since my relaxed days until now, and this lasts. Like, it makes my hair stay moisturized for a good while. Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This right here, this is good for like twist outs, wash and goes, and all those little cute natural hairstyles. I also have the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk. These are the products I use after washing my hair, and I apply the leave-in conditioner. This works well too with my hair. Oh, before I forget, the ApHogee, this is the ApHogee Keratin and Green Tea Reconstructorizer. This has protein, so this, I use this like probably every 2 weeks in my hair. After I wash my hair, I just spray it all over. It strengthens my hair, so I love this right here. I've been using this since my relaxed days as well, and I'm still using it. If I should do like twist outs or braid outs, this is always my finish. Like this foaming mousse right here, it doesn't make my hair hard, but it holds the style, so this is good. It's the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil foaming mousse. This will always be in my hair regimen. The Gyrate Edge Control, this works really well with my hair. This is the only edge control that works well, like it actually lays my hair. The other edge control, they always start to roll up like in 30 minutes or so. Oils. Coconut oil is my all-time favorite. This is the OK brand, 100% pure coconut oil. I love coconut oil. I also use Wild Growth on my hair. This is Wild Growth hair oil. This is like different oils mixed together to promote growth for your hair. This I just use to oil my scalp. Love them. Also the Jelly by Kurl's. I forgot, I should have mentioned this with edge control, but the Jelly by Kurl's is the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly by Kurl's. Smells so good. I use this like for wash and go, and it doesn't leave any flake. It defines my curl and it lasts. For hair sheens, to just spray on my puff, I have the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil Shine Mist. I love this. And also I have the Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla Hair Sheen. And for gels, try to go fast, I use the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel. This is my go-to gel. Love it. Works well with my hair. I won't trade this gel for any other gel. This is my all-time favorite. I've tried the argan oil one in that brand and the coconut one. They're okay, but the black castor oil is my all-time favorite. So I bought this gel, extreme gel. I bought this last year. I don't know if it's the smell, something throws me off about this gel. I only use it once and I bought it last year. I've seen a lot of good reviews about it. I don't know, but I will say I want to try the new extreme gels that came out, like the blue one and all that. I'm gonna try them to see if it's better than this, but and for like masks, I only have like the samples right now. I ran out of the container. I love this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Strengthening Milk Mask. I mix these with the Oars Olive Oil Conditioner and the Jamaican Black Castor Oil that I ran out of. I don't have any more of that. The Sunny Isle brand. I love Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I mix those together, apply it to my hair, put the plastic cap on and leave it for an hour. Those works well for my hair. So that's it for this video. These are all the products that I use in my hair. If you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.